On request of students, we have upgraded our portal of Doorstep Tutor. Now you can find all the courses which are available on a very affordable prices. Along with that, the speed has been upgraded, the efficiency, the data usage has been reduced. So definitely you would find a lot of things which have been introduced. Even a lot of new exams have been introduced, and the list of exams you can see here. So you can just check out the exams that you are applying for, and accordingly you can start your preparation. Now the most important thing that you would find at this point is for the courses. So far the video courses were there for 1 month validity, and students had a lot of concern about how to subscribe for more months. We have to cover only in 1 month. So to make it more user friendly, the subscription is now given for a tenure. So you can just choose out the subscription which is given here for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and a year. Now if you are preparing for your December NET examination, you can choose a 3-month pack, so you would automatically get the discount. But on top of that, you can apply your coupon code which is available to you here as well. So you would get an extra discount on top of that. Along with that, if you are preparing for your upcoming June examination, you can go for a 6 months course, and that would give you a more comprehensive idea about how to prepare. And even the courses that you would go on to, let's say you go on to this course, so there are around 168 lectures, and regular updates would be there based on this recent paper that has happened. You would have new lectures which would be included into the portal. So all new lectures would be available to you without any extra charges. So those are some of the things that you can go through, and each of the lectures you can before subscription listen to 1.5 minutes for free. So again, you can go through the content, you can get yourself convinced on the topic, and with every lecture, once you go on to the page, you would have an option to raise the concern or queries from the page itself. So let's say you are watching this video and you have some doubt, so you can simply click ask clarification here, your name and query. So with the same time point, we would have the query that would come to us, and we would be able to address the query at the best. So if you are raising the clarifications from the same time point where you are unable to understand, we would be able to help you in a more better way. So be it any course for UPSC, for UGC, for AP, for international exams, SAT, you have the complete coverage which is given here. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect. And yes, the video courses are on a monthly subscription basis. However, study material and previous year questions are on a 3-year validity. The test papers, if you are subscribing to, have to be submitted within 1 year. So those are some of the options that are provided. In case you have any questions or queries, you can reach us on the number here. Thanks for joining in.